Happy New Year! This is part 2 of a 2-part series that I'm recording today to address comments or themes that have come up over the last few months. So if you've missed part 1, the link to it will be in the video description below. In this part 2 video, I'm going to be talking about going gray and making the decision to color your hair a deeper value as you age and addressing comments around that. Stay tuned. As said in the opening, this video addresses some themes or comments that I've received around making the decision to color your hair a deeper value as you age if you wanted to hide the grays. Before I get into my thoughts on this topic, I want you first to visualize the Queen of England with blonde hair, like having made the decision to say go blonde when she went gray, say in her 50s, etc. She chose a deeper value hair color. So picture her with blonde hair. Now picture Kate Middleton and Meghan Markle making the decision to go blonde to hide the grays when or if they turn gray. And on your screen right now are two fabulous women who I personally know and personally are fantastic friends of mine. Karen Brunger is the CEO and founder of the International Image Institute. Karen is on the right in the picture on your screen. She taught me everything I know on color analysis, and then based on her training, I have built significant experience on the ground. I'm very thankful to Karen. If you're interested in checking out her training program with the International Image Institute, please click the link in the video description below. And on the left on your screen is Wendy Buchanan. She is the CEO of Perceptions Eyewear. A link to Perceptions Eyewear will also be in the video description below. Wendy is somebody I send all my image clients to for their eyewear needs, and I personally use Wendy's services for my own personal eyewear needs, and she helped me choose the glasses I'm wearing in this video. So these they are both women who have chosen a hair color in their color analysis palette. So Karen on the right is in the summer color season family, and she chose a deeper value hair color that has ash qualities to it. And on the left, Wendy, she is a muted or soft autumn. And she chose a deeper value hair color. And as you can see on the ends of her hair, she has some warm qualities to her hair, which is in harmony with her palette because it reflects her flow to autumn. So these, because they've chosen a hair color that is optimal for their palette, meaning in the hair color range that is recommended for their palette, they are sparkling. I included in this video the photo of Karen and Wendy to show you two fabulous women rocking a deeper value hair color. And so this is a great example, and we don't have many examples of this because we're told in the hair salon or through our friends or what have you, as we age, you have to go lighter, go blonde to hide the grays. And I'm suggesting to you that going lighter or blonde might not work for you. Do you think choosing a blonde hair color adds to their sparkle? Once you arrive at your color analysis results, whether it be through going through a professional or through a do-it-yourself method, the color analysis results usually have a recommended optimal hair color range for it. And so when I say, optimal, I'm really talking about the textbook color analysis recommendations. There are other factors into deciding whether or not to let your gray grow out, or what colors to hide the grays if you're someone who wants to hide the grays. So there could be lifestyle, budget considerations, maintenance, the time involved, etc. And so those are all inputs into your very personal decision on whether or not to hide the grays, and if so, what color to choose to hide the grays. And so you have to do optimally what's right for you. Very recently, I had somebody who was or is a bright winter come visit me once again to have a chat about her hair color because the recommended textbook hair color option that is optimal for a bright winter is deep value, neutral undertone range. So typically a very dark brown or black, because bright or clear is a high contrast palette. And the reason why she came to visit me again is because her sister had been commenting around, ooh, your hair is so dark, you need to go blonde, if she wanted to continue to start hiding the grays. And textbook color analysis recommendation again would be a deeper value hair color for this palette. And so I offered to her the thoughts around perhaps your sister may be projecting what works for her on you. So maybe her lifestyle, budget, timing considerations, she was projecting on you. Oh my, I just had a coughing fit. Sorry about that. So basically, was her sister projecting what she had heard or worked for her on this person? And it really made her think, yes. And so we hear in the hair salon myths about, if you get to a certain age, if you choosing to color your hair, you got to go lighter, because it will hide the grays, and because your skin is softening and what have you. And I'm suggesting to you that might not be that what works for you, because a color analysis textbook hair colors may be different than what your hairstylist is recommending or what your friend is recommending. And so ultimately you have to do what is right for you. That is what I'm getting at. And blonde might not be the best option if a priority for you is to add to your sparkle, if it's in conflict with your palette. That's all I'm getting at. You have to listen to you always. And my wish for you, starting this point forward and up until this point, is that you do you, and I'll do me. And my passion is color analysis, and so that's what this channel is about. Have a great day. Happy New Year.